What if your brain never let go of a single moment? Every word you've ever heard, every mistake you've ever made, every face you've ever seen, locked inside your mind forever. At first it sounds like a superpower, but would it really be a gift or a curse? This isn't just science fiction. A rare condition called hyperthymesia.
Hyperthymesia is an extremely rare condition where an individual possesses an exceptionally detailed and accurate autobiographical memory.
Allows certain individuals to recall nearly every day of their lives in perfect detail.
I can still recall every detail of that birthday party, the exact taste of the cake, and the bright, happy sounds of laughter.
They can tell you what they ate on July 12, 2003, or the exact weather on a random Tuesday 15 years ago. For them, memory is not a blur. It's a crystal clear replay button. Imagine the possibilities. No forgotten birthdays, no lost keys, no awkward moments of forgetting a name. Exams would feel effortless, work presentations flawless. Life would seem easier when nothing slips through the cracks. But memory isn't selective. It preserves the joy and the pain.
Today, we're going to dive deep into our quarterly performance metrics.
Think about heartbreak, humiliation, or loss. Most of us heal because time blurs the details. But with perfect memory, pain never fades. You'd relive every heartbreak, every insult, every trauma in razor-sharp clarity. Instead of helping you move on, memory would chain you to the past. Forgiveness could become nearly impossible. A spouse's harsh words, a friend's betrayal, or a family fight. You'd never forget them, not even the smallest detail.
You never listen to me! Why do you always do this?
How do you forgive when your mind replays the wound again and again? Relationships might collapse under the weight of flawless recall.
I just can't believe you said that! How could you even think that?
The data clearly indicates.
Now picture a world where everyone had this power. Courtrooms would change. Witnesses could testify with absolute accuracy. History itself would no longer need books because no one would forget. But mistakes, scandals, and regrets would also never disappear. A single bad decision could follow someone forever.
I have it.
The benefits can't be denied. Science, medicine, and art might advance faster than ever. Students could memorize entire libraries, and professionals would never lose their edge. Humanity could accelerate intellectually, but at what emotional cost? Forgetting, it turns out, isn't weakness. It's survival. It allows us to heal, to let go, to grow. Without forgetting, we might drown in memories instead of living in the present. So, what do you think? Would you want to live with perfect memory? Or is forgetting the very thing that makes us human? Subscribe for more what-if scenarios.